Philophobia portrays an individual who fears falling head over heels, won't open up, and permit anybody sufficiently close to hurt them. Never judge somebody without knowing the entire story. You might think you see, however you don't. Yellow tone invigorates splendor, energy, innovativeness, and knowledge. Unfamiliar, appealing individuals are seen as more insightful, regardless of whether they're not. This is known as the corona impact. Our minds have a pessimism predisposition and will recall negative recollections more than great ones. This assists us with bettering secure ourselves. Individuals who comprehend mockery, while frequently are great at guessing what individuals might be thinking, we can unrets men seat up to the scenes as a gesture, as the ISAT and firsted trees of droves are in slanted boards being separated from everyone else. Debilitates your body. Having companions fortified your body.